We're back again. Hey, sorry for that.
Sorry.
Yeah, our antenna's not working in the car. Got this phone.
Sorry guys, because of the rains, there was a connection issue, but now we are back.
Back with a bang.
No.
So what's up? Is it fine now? The
It's up
connection?
Totally.
Yeah.
People can see me, right?
Lovely.
Or stick to me, guys.
You've always been sticking to you.
तेरे तो bodyguard.
Not at all.
एक तरफ भाई और एक
So guys, shoot your questions. We love chatting to you guys. We are on our way to the trailer launch of our film. We are really excited.
Very, very, very.
very super excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoot the questions. Aditi is going to be asking us the questions.
Yes.
So Ujjwala is saying hi, Bihan is saying hi.
Hi,
Everyone-
Ujjwala.
Hi Ujjwala, hi Bian.
Hi to all you lovely people.
Hi
who
to
signed in.
everyone, yeah.
People are sending hearts to you.
Arts.
Hi.
Oh, good.
मैंने हाथ भराया नहीं ना.
First time,
First
first
time
time he's
पहले
giving
मेरे
a
heart
heart.
पहले मेरे
time
हार्ट
heart.
ऐसे ऐसे होते थे. अभी मेरे को मुझे आ गया है.
Hearts to you guys, all of you.
So one
तुम
question
लोगों
is,
के लिए हमारा दिल धड़कता है.
Yes.
how excited you guys are?
Very excited.
Very, very excited.
Super
Very
excited.
Super excited.
The rains is just making it more exciting. Yeah.
Yeah.
We just reached Haji Ali.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just waiting for questions. People are giving you good luck wishes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you guys
for your
for
good
your
luck
wishes.
wishes. Any questions?
Questions. Guys, questions. Come on, don't be
Guys,
boring,
come
यार.
on, ask us.
मैं खुद ही क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूँ. आपको कैसा लगा भाई का रोल करके?
मुझे भाई का रोल बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. काफी चैलेंजिंग था. It was really challenging because a lot of people have played it before, and to like
Yeah.
portray it differently when he's playing, he's being younger. No one has seen that before.
Yeah.
To transform it to the old, where a lot of people have seen different big actors playing it, was quite a challenge, but I enjoyed it a lot. I love challenging stuff. आपको इब्राहिम आपको इब्राहिम पार्कर का किरदार निभाने को कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. काफी टफ कैरेक्टर था और मैंने बड़ी आसानी से निभाया.
बहुत आसानी से. हमने फिल्म में देखेंगे इब्राहिम मियां ने कितनी बेहतरीन एक्टिंग की है.
मैंने और सिद्धांत ने एक साथ वर्कशॉप्स करी थी और तब मैं इसके लिए हसीना बनता था जब
He used to play you.
Yeah.
Questions, Aditi? Any more questions are coming in?
Yeah, guys, you have to ask us.
Everyone is sending hearts and love.
Hearts तो we are like good at hearts now.
ऐसे रहते हैं हम. ऐसे सवाल के जवाब देंगे हम.
We hope
Anybody
you guys
asking
are.
questions for me?
I hope you guys are enjoying the rains. Except for the traffic that it brings with it.
Yeah, I love staying at home.
But these rains are just
Yeah.
so beautiful. They're so beautiful.
They're amazing. They're really good, and we're on
I
our way
just-
to town. I
yeah.
just hope the traffic.
I just wish that the rains would have paused
For a little bit.
for
Yeah.
a little while.
Yeah, we had like
But-
automatic bridges put up.
Or we could just fly and go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Shruti is asking Shraddha, was it difficult to play Hasina, the Apa?
Yes, it was very, very difficult. It was a process, a very challenging process, and I feel like, Apu sir was very, very, very supportive in terms of, he was the perfect, I would say, guiding light for the direction in which Hasina had to be played. And the entire graph, he's so connected with the character himself that he knew exactly what he wanted. He knew, because he'd also interacted a lot with Hasina. Unfortunately, I didn't get that opportunity to do that. He knew exactly how I should play her. So when you have that support and when you have the most amazing team,
Yeah, especially me and Siddhant.
especially
helped
yes,
her a
my
lot.
brother and Ankur, when you're supported really well, it just makes the experience, like, it makes things like you feel like, okay, you can do it. Because there were many, many, many days where I felt like
And she
I
did
don't
it.
know if I can.
And she did it. You
She
guys
did a
have
great
to.
job.
You guys have to watch
Thank you.
my sister transform in this film. Honestly, initially we were like, "Itni khoobsurat, cute, very bubbly-looking girl needs to be transformed to this Apa."
Yeah.
So it was quite a task, and everyone from like the makeup department, Subhash to Eka to Apu sir to the cinematographer to everyone in the film. It's all because of them that we have made this possible to be so convincing for you guys to watch it.
Yeah, that's very true. In fact, like we are the ones who you guys talk to and stuff.
Yeah,
but
there are
there's
a lot more people behind it.
Yeah.
Exactly. A lot more people who have made this happen, who made this film happen.
Yeah.
And you know who.
Especially your look was very challenging.
But you know, I feel like
It took you 4 hours to get there.
I just feel like for all of us, it's been a very, very new journey.
Yeah.
And
We actually lived their lives for the time we were shooting.
Yeah, we've lived their
Exactly.
lives, and Apurva has lived everyone's life. Like he's all the characters. He's Hasina Parkar, he's Daud Ibrahim, he's Ibrahim Parkar. He's everyone. Like you had to see him on set. He's like the original captain of our ship, and he's just
very supportive.
Started
Very,
and ended
very.
the journey so beautifully. Well, it's still not over though. But I mean, it's just outstanding how he's gotten us to do what you're going to see right now. It's just like amazing.
yeah. And even our DOP Fasad sir, oh
Fasad
my
sir.
god,
Fasad sir is
he has shot
outstanding.
the film.
Love you, Fasad sir.
Love you,
Love you, Fasad sir.
Samar sir.
Samar sir.
Samar sir.
has
Samar
been
sir,
great.
thank you so much. आपकी वजह से हम हमारे characters.
Yeah, so
मुझे
many
तो सारे
people.
characters
साई की सर आपकी वजह से हमारे पुट्ठे ठीक हो गए सर. You know,
You want to tell them what Putte is?
Putte, yeah.
Putte means thighs,
Bum.
you know, the bum and this, you
Not
know,
thighs.
Under the thighs, you know, you had to, because of the fight sequences, because of the chal of the bhai, and you know, you had to, the whole personality he changed, you know, getting the psyche of the character and all that. And thank you so much for that, Samar sir.
So, Rashid Khan is asking how was to play as a mother. Like,
Hi Rashid Khan. It was the first time I'm playing a mom on screen, and of course it's not an experience I've had in my real life as yet. So it was. I mean, I have to just say that hats off to all the mothers out there, because I think being a mom is a true superhero role to play. So I feel like, you know, I tried my best to come as close to feeling that emotion, and you know, trying to portray that on the big screen. So I hope that you guys like it.
Ma.
Tujhe salam.
Yeah, I can't believe she's played like a mother, a wife, a sister,
A mother
daughter.
too,
Yeah.
not just one, not just two,
4.
not just 3, but 4 kids.
And how difficult would it was a challenging task to shoot with the kids,
It was, it
because
was.
they'll start crying as soon as the shot is ready. So if
Right.
you make them stop crying.
The ekdam chotu one.
Yeah, yeah.
But he was super cute.
Yeah, but, and I love kids. I just love kids. So,
We love kids. Any more questions?
any more questions, guys?
people are sending hearts. Now
Oh,
green
hearts.
hearts.
Again hearts.
Blue hearts.
दिल दे दिया है
जा तुम्हें देंगे.
दगा नहीं करेंगे
नहीं,
सनम.
Then you can just do that.
नहीं नेक्स्ट वाला पिच बहुत हाई है तो रहने दे.
At the
Yeah.
end. Yeah.
या तो मैं गाता हूँ और तू एक्टिंग कर. नहीं छोड़ रहने दे.
तेरे को अगली पिक्चर नहीं चाहिए ना.
Any more questions?
As you can see, I was very, very well entertained. Or on the days when we had light shooting, when it was not very intense.
And when sorry sugar, the food, the biryani and the raan and oh my
Yeah.
god, the best time. I miss shooting.
Yeah, the food on set was just
Amazing.
I wish
amazing.
every director has that kind of a palette like Apurva so has, because
Actually,
all the
that helped us to get in the character also. You know,
biryani,
and
you
all.
know,
Yeah.
amazing, yeah.
Paya.
Yeah, paya. Oh,
Nalini
Paya,
Ari.
Nalini
Oh,
Ari.
my
I'm
God.
hungry. Who's hungry? I'm always hungry.
You
Yeah,
should
even
see
I-
how much she eats. She can eat more than both of us, I think.
She eats quite
Yeah,
a
she
lot.
quite-
Yeah.
So Somnath is asking if
Hi, Somnath.
Hi, Somnath.
Hi, Somnath.
आपसे भी पूछो.
if there were any bloopers in the movie, like in blooper moments in the movie.
Many.
No, yeah, no bloopers.
I know.
I
But
mean,
like
every
you know,
film
of
has.
course, every film has there's something or the other that happens which you laugh about,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
you crack a joke about. So yeah, I mean, the whole process of making a film, because everyone, like like you come with a new team on a new film, and everyone is so different, and then you get to know each other, and then you get to become close, become one big family, you know. So it's a lot of fun, but it does get like when the whole process just suddenly gets over.
Yeah.
When the shooting gets over, then suddenly it's like,
कहाँ गए सब लोग?
and then of course everyone moves ahead to other films. Those few days I feel a little low.
Yeah. Yeah. Also, I think the bloopers are there in every film. Is how you take it. हम लोग ने तो हंसते खेलते ये फिल्म बनाई है, इतनी अच्छी बनी है. So and nothing's ever perfect. So there are ups and downs, but there are of course more ups in this film. That's why it's turned out so well.
Yeah.
But it was an amazing journey. We just missed it a lot.
Yeah. Correct. So
Any more questions?
I think we should be going now. We will be reaching in a bit, and we've been live for a bit. Or shall we go on more for longer?
but is anybody asking us anything? Any
हमसे
more
सवाल
questions,
पूछो. अच्छे
guys?
सवाल पूछो.
Please
सवाल पूछो.
ask us.
Hello.
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 नाम ही बता दो.
Hello. Rahul Das is saying I'm your
Oh,
biggest
सवाल
fan.
आया.
I'm your biggest fan too.
Rahul.
Aman Bhatia, I'm the biggest fan of yours too.
Hello.
That's my
You are
sister's
just-
typical way of saying hello is hello.
So Harsh is saying we are so excited to watch the trailer.
Good.
Good, Harsh.
Thank
We
you.
are excited that you
Just
guys are
few more
excited.
minutes.
I hope you guys stay as excited after you've seen it as well. Yeah.
Any more questions coming in?
All the best.
Hi Shelly.
Thank you.
I'm getting messages here also that they're watching it there.
Oh, y'all are watching it there. How are you guys doing, team? We are going to see you guys soon.
Yes,
Appu sir,
we'll see you
See you very
soon.
soon. सवाल पूछो guys, सवाल पूछो.
Hearts ही आ रहे हैं, बनाए
Hearts
कैसे
आ रहे हैं, thumbs up आ रहे हैं,
Thumbs up,
highs आ रहे हैं.
Hi.
Hi.
Yo.
Heart. Thumbs up. Hi.
All the emoticons.
Thumbs up.
Let's do all the facial emoticons.
Yeah, you do one.
Sad. That's what.
Joker. Happy.
Happy.
Straight face.
Straight face.
Okay, I'm just thinking. People will be like, what the hell is wrong with this guy? He's doing emoticons. Come on, questions, guys. Questions is really hot.
Okay, so just since you guys are not asking us,
Then we are going.
but yeah, just so
Oh
you
God,
know,
something
we are
really nice I've seen over there. Just pointed to the world peace.
The
Anybody
graffiti
can
on the wall.
Check out the graffitis, guys. Follow this in life.
Respect women.
You all have to follow
I
this
think
in
it's-
life,
Mother,
and
daughter.
y'all.
Yeah.
Mother, daughter, wife, sister.
No,
That's
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 you.
a part
That's-
of.
yeah,
Oh my
a
God,
movie.
that's a part of our
Look at
film.
these graffitis. They're so amazing. See, they should. Sorry, I just posted this.
No,
Yeah,
I
like,
think
I
that's
want
great
people,
that
yeah.
you did that.
yeah.
Yes, guys.
So
you gotta
this
follow
is
that.
some graffiti on the wall, which is really nice that Bhaiya showed you guys, and yeah,
That's
he's
so
like
nice. I
you should
Respect
try to
women,
follow
so
it.
do. Yeah.
I'll take a picture later on. I'll take a picture. Yeah. Any more questions coming in? No? We're good to sign out? Yeah? Okay, guys. The trailer is going to be launching in about half an hour from now. For
Almost.
25 minutes. We are really excited. We
Very.
want all your support.
Yes.
Please do watch it, and we want your honest feedbacks. Thank you so much for signing in now.
Hope you guys like it.
See ya.
Bye.
Lots of love. See you all soon.